You are leaving money on the table. Every successful affiliate marketer has a funnel system. And if you don't, if you're just sending links directly, like you're just using an affiliate link directly and sending it to the offer, you are leaving so much money on the table. So this is step 2 of the stupid simple system. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump over to the computer here. I'm just gonna fire it up. I'll get it out of sleep. And I'm gonna show you exactly what step 2 looks like. And what you wanna do is you wanna sign up for the classic version. It's a 14-day trial, and then message me and I'll show you how to get it for 30 days. But you definitely wanna get that so you can get this thing going, all right? So let's jump over to the computer. All right, so in the first step, we went over to glenmurrayonline.com/stupid simple and we filled in our email. So once we've done that, I'll just quickly do that. All right, guys, seriously, I'm stepping you through this. This is step 2. You're gonna get your first 2 free accounts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a 14-day trial of ClickFunnels Classic. Now, what's really cool is there's a challenge coming up, and I'm gonna show you about that at the end of this. But what it is if you get the Classic version and then you wanna upgrade to 2.0, you get to keep Classic for free, which is cool. So step 2 is start here and get your funnel landing page system, all right? So I will see you on the inside. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you about the Challenge Secrets Masterclass. It's totally free, so you just wanna go try it and go through it and learn from the best. So this is what the page looks like, and where you wanna go is you want to go to fnadesign.com/challenge, and that'll take you to this page. And you wanna go through this. It's totally free. This is not gonna cost you a dime. And like I said, if you've already signed up for ClickFunnels Classic and you sign up for the trial of this, if you switch over to the new version, 2.0, then you get to keep your classic ClickFunnels for free and anything you've set up there. So you get 2 in 1. But listen, you need to have a funnel landing page system or you're leaving money on the table.